Hello, so here's interesting app It Trading Fidget Toys 3D. So best It Fidget Toys games, Beauty, Infinite Cube, Backtracks, Tags, Fidget Spinner, Squishy Toys. So let's just install this app and see why it's in the top charts of the US App Store. So the size of the app is 129 megabytes, as you can see. So yeah, super oddly satisfying sensory anti-stress fidget toys here in this game waiting for you, including the best sensory toy collection proven to give you an anti-stress and anti-anxiety experience. This game will calm your nerves and provide you with immediate stress relief when you need a distraction, diversion, and some moments of relief. It's time to keep your hands and minds busy for a long time without paying for toys. Choose your favorite toy from the shelf to play with. Interact with fidget toys you choose. Just press the bubbles down on the screen. This app offers an auto-renewing weekly subscription at $2.99 per week. For some, there you have it. So let's just finally install it. And let's see how long it takes to actually get it installed. So then I just want to search it.